Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back once again. Today we're going to show you how to restore your iPad. So let's get started! What you need to restore your iPad is first download iTunes on your computer in a USB data cable to connect to your computer. Depending on the iPad you have, the one we have, we press the home button and the on and off button at the same time. Hold it till the screen pops up as a computer with cable, so you can connect the cable to the computer without letting go the off and on button. The other screen shows the process of restoring, but you don't have to do anything on that part until you see a screen that says hello. Then you'll see a screen with information you have to answer, or let's just say your settings things. Now this is where you type your information down. And that's it! That's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell to stay notified so you won't miss any video. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye!